Myanmar. Relief works in the earthquake-hit areas. On March 28, a powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck Myanmar, heavily impacting Mandalay and nearby regions. The Salesians present in the area reported significant damage to their chapel and center for street children, with few people injured. Amid Myanmar's ongoing political crisis, the Salesians remain committed to offering relief and support to the vulnerable in every way.